Hi there, I'm Susie. Thank you for joining me in this yoga wheel practice. If you're ready, find a comfortable seat, place your wheel behind you, and settle in. Take a deep breath in and out. Place your feet in front of you. Grab a hold of your wheel, placing your thumbs inside. Slowly roll back, lifting your hips up. Keep your chin tucked. If you send your gaze up to the ceiling, you might feel some neck pain. Lift your hips up and lower down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower down. Take a few more here, moving with your breath. Inhale up. Make sure to draw your elbows in together so you don't splay them out. One more time, up and extend your legs. Drop your head back if you feel comfortable with that. Take a deep breath in. Feel free to release your hands by your sides. Feel a nice stretch in your spine. Remember, at any point if you feel any discomfort, you can just skip that pause, stop, and take a rest. Slowly roll back down, coming on your hips. Place your feet over the edges of the mat, thumbs in the wheel. Inhale, lift up, keeping your chin tucked. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, as you lift up, feel a nice stretch in your hip flexors. Lower down. Inhale up. And exhale, lowering the hips down. Take a few more, moving with your breath here. One more time, roll back and come down. Alright, now that we got warmed up, let's build some strength. Come on your hands and knees, the wheel is behind you. Place your left toes over the wheel, pushing the wheel back, and then your right toes for a high plank. Now this might be a bit challenging, take your time here. Press firmly into your palms. Try to find a straight line with your body, so rather than popping your hips up or sinking them down, try to find a nice straight line. Stand on your toes and your palms. Take a deep breath in and out. Now you might find it hard in terms of balance. Just take your time. Don't worry if you fall out. Just come back up. Engage your core. You might be shaking right now. That's completely normal. Just keep going. You can do this. Lower down on your knees, keeping the tops of your feet over the wheel. Hinge forward over your thighs. Extend your arms forward, taking a moment to rest. Rise up. This time, place your left shin over the wheel. The top of your foot is touching the back of the wheel. And then your right shin. Now bend your knees until your heels are close to your hips and extend. Bend the knees, heels come close to the hips, extend. Press firmly into your palms and engage your core. 5 more to go. Tuck your knees and extend. Inhale, tuck your knees. Exhale and extend. Keep going. This is a very challenging workout, so at any point where you feel too tired or weak, feel free to just take a break. 1 more, and that's it. Now take a moment to rest, lowering your feet down in child's pose. Rise up, come on your forearms, and place your feet over the wheel. First the left, then the right. Draw the wheel closer to your elbows, stacking your hips over your elbows. And extend your legs, drawing the wheel away, coming on your toes. Draw the wheel in, hips over elbows, and extend the legs, coming on your toes. Take a few more. Draw in, hips over elbows. Draw out, coming on the toes. Great job. Lower down on your knees, release your feet. Let's take a moment to rest. Bringing the wheel in front of you, hold it, stack your hips over your knees, sink your chest into the mat. Slight arch in the back. Take a deep breath in and out. Just relax. Release the tension in your body. Rise back up. Now we're gonna do the pike press we just did, but this time instead of our forearms, we're gonna be standing on our hands. Place the wheel behind you. Now, if this doesn't feel good to you, you're always welcome to stand on your forearms. Find downward facing dog. Then place your left foot and your right foot over the wheel. Roll over the wheel, stacking your hips over your hands, pressing your tummy into your thighs. And extend, coming on your toes. As I said, if this doesn't feel good, you can always stand on your forearms. And extend. Roll forward, your heels are on the wheel, hips stacked over shoulders. Now it's okay if you cannot exactly stack your hips over your shoulders, just roll as much as you can to the extent that feels good and safe. And extend the legs, finding a high plank. 2 more left, hips over shoulders. Extend. 1 more, and hold here. Take a deep breath in, breath out, pressing into the palms, engaging the core, and extend, lowering the feet down, taking a moment to rest. Bring the wheel in front of you, hold the wheel, and find child's pose. Rise up. Now, if you are tired, if you feel weak, feel free to rest for a little more. If you're good to go, place the wheel behind you for one more high plank. Find down dog. Place your feet over the wheel, come on your toes, press firmly into the palms, engaging your core, hold a nice high plank. The more you come on your toes, the straighter your plank will be, so the less likely you will be to lift your hips up. Lower your feet down. Now let's find a gentle, relaxing stretch. Sit on your hips and bring the soles of your feet together, keeping the wheel behind you. Allow your knees to fall out to either side. Just relax. Bring your feet over the mat and roll back, lifting your hips up and roll down. Roll back, lower down. One more time, roll back on your wheel and hold, dropping your head down. You can keep the legs extended or bent. Deep breath in. Feel a nice stretch in your spine, in your shoulders, and in your chest. Now slowly lift your left leg up. See if you can extend your leg all the way up and lower it down. Lift your right leg up. See if you can extend it. Lower down. Left leg goes up. Extend. It's okay if you cannot fully extend. Just do your best. And lower down. Right leg goes up. Extend. Come down. Let's take a few more. Lift your left leg up. Lower down. Right leg goes up. Extend. And lower down. Take a few more, moving at your own pace. Lower down, grounding your hips. Bring the soles of your feet together. Lean on your wheel and lift your hips up, rolling back, keeping the feet together. Lift your hips up, roll back, keep your thumbs in the wheel and lower down. Lifting the hips up, keeping the feet together. Lower down. Feel a nice stretch in your hip flexors as you lift up. And come down. Great job. Now bring the wheel in front of you. Hips over knees. Hold the wheel from the top and sink your chest into the mat, keeping your arms extended. Feel free to move back and forth, rolling the wheel. You're gonna feel a nice stretch in your spine. Deep breath in and out. Tiny movements back and forth. Rise up and find child's pose. Take a deep breath in and out. Just focus on your breath and relax. Take a deep, relaxing breath in and slowly breathe out. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this practice, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.